Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will travel thousands of kilometers with two young girls to buy an old house right next to the sea. Let's explore the process of transforming this place into a miniature resort and the interesting things about living next to the sea. Coastal houses are often built on rocky outcrops and face the sea. Therefore, this renovation process needs to ensure solidity and certainty against storms, and must create an open space with depth and take advantage of the view towards the sea to bring a feeling of comfort and relaxation. These houses often have an architectural style in harmony with the natural landscape of the sea, creating the overall beauty of the house. Therefore, the renovation process needs to consider assessing the current status and carefully planning repairs for each structure. For example, the walls are still solid and just need to be repainted. The bathroom and restroom just need to be cleaned and can be used immediately. Renovating kitchens for houses near the sea requires special attention to moisture and corrosion resistance to ensure the sustainability and aesthetics of the space. Structures as well as equipment need to be inspected and assessed for the condition of materials to come up with the most effective maintenance and repair plan. This will make the renovation process efficient and fast, while also helping to reduce costs. Furthermore, the kitchen space also needs to be cleaned and expanded to make the most of natural light and sea breezes to create an airy space. Small and repetitive motifs can make the space appear longer to the eye and are used as a highlight in the living space, attracting the eye without causing distractions. White is often associated with cleanliness and purity, making the kitchen space look neater and more hygienic. This is important in the food preparation area. In addition, it also easily coordinates with other decorative equipment and materials such as stainless steel, wood, or glass. However, you should also note that a white kitchen space may also require more frequent maintenance and cleaning to keep it looking new and clean. The combination of faux wood kitchen surface and white space creates a cozy kitchen space while still retaining sophistication and modernity. A neat, clean, and airy kitchen will contribute to creating great dishes and ensuring everyone's health. Houses by the sea often have white paint to make them stand out and not be overwhelmed by surrounding rocks and trees. The color combination for the outside space must ensure that the house occupies a central position, but must still be in close harmony with the sea landscape. And here, brown is a great choice because it stands out against the white background, but is in harmony with the color of the sea. Some decorative details, such as plant pots, must also follow these rules. A spacious yard is always a great choice for overlooking the sea. Therefore, designing a yard with a view towards the sea needs to create a space that blends with nature, bringing a feeling of relaxation and closeness. Elements of color, materials, decoration, and lighting need to be harmoniously coordinated to optimize the user experience. The addition of a wooden gate will also help increase privacy and create a sense of security and protection. The right color and material choices will help create a harmonious and attractive space. Details such as tree beds and flower beds can add liveliness and coolness to the yard space. Shade trees will help cool the air and create a cool area, ideal for resting and watching the ocean on hot sunny days. Flowers bring freshness and rich colors, making the space more lively. Some flowers also bring a fragrant scent, creating a feeling of relaxation. Some added exterior details such as wooden floors, shelves or tables and chairs, and sun umbrellas will create favorable conditions for resting and watching the sea. The durability of the tires, the rope accents, along with the creative beauty of pine cones and leaves, create a one-of-a-kind work of art. with the sound of ocean waves, trees, and decorative motifs blend together to create a vibrant symphony that helps restore health, relax, and lift the spirit. This renovation project not only demonstrates an endless passion for the sea, but also creates a healthy, comfortable living environment close to nature and the sea.